Hi everybody. All right, this morning we're going to read The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. You might recognize this book because it looks a lot like the other book we read that was The Amazing Life Cycle of Plants. And again, I love the illustrations in this book. Take a look at the dog as we go because I think he has funny little expressions. All right, so The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. It's written by Barnham and illustrated by Maddie. In the warmer months of spring and summer, butterflies flutter about. These beautiful insects carry pollen from flower to flower, just like bees. But did you know that this is just one stage of a butterfly's incredible life cycle? A butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. Some eggs are round, some are oval, and some have ridges. The female butterfly sticks her eggs onto leaves or stems, very close together. This plant will soon become food. Look at all the different shapes and sizes of the eggs. Inside the butterfly eggs, new life is growing. But these creatures are not yet butterflies. After a few days, the eggs hatch and butterfly larvae appear. Butterfly larvae are also known as pupae or caterpillars. At first, they look like small wriggling worms. Oh look, they're munching on all the leaves. A caterpillar's job is to eat. Most caterpillars eat plants, but some eat other insects. They eat so much that soon their skin becomes too tight. It splits, and then underneath is a new, bigger skin. As the caterpillar grows, this happens again and again. Still munching away. Imagine if that was your only job, to eat. Caterpillars have many enemies. They are gobbled up by birds, wasps, and ladybugs. In some countries, humans even eat them too. Caterpillars use bristles, spikes, smells, and poison to frighten away enemies. Sometimes they even disguise themselves with eye spots and patterns. This caterpillar is pretending to be a snake. So that's his head. But then there's the markings that make him look like a snake. When the caterpillar has finished growing, it hangs upside down from a leaf or a branch. Very slowly, a shell forms around it. This shell is called a chrysalis. Like the caterpillar, the chrysalis is patterned. This makes it difficult for enemies to spot. See the end here? Kind of looks like a leaf, hey? So if it camouflages, then it's harder for it to be spotted by one of its enemies. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar dissolves into a soupy mixture. Then eyes, legs, wings, antennae, and other body parts begin to form. After a week or two, the caterpillar will have changed into a brand new butterfly. I love the dog watching the chrysalis. At last, the adult butterfly pushes its way out of the chrysalis. This splits open and the butterfly appears. It's a tight fit inside the chrysalis, so the butterfly must first unfold soft wings, which will take a few hours to harden. Then it flies for the very first time. There it goes. A butterfly has 4 wings. These are covered with millions of tiny colored scales, which create different patterns. Some wing patterns allow butterflies to hide. Others have special markings that look like big eyes to scare away enemies. Bold, bright colors. Look at how beautiful all these different butterflies are. A butterfly tastes with its feet and smells with its antennae. Its mouth is shaped like a long tube. The butterfly uses this to feed on nectar from flowers. Can you imagine if you tasted with your feet? Oh my goodness, that'd be funny. You'd have to stick your feet in all of your meals. Butterflies can only fly if they are warm. When they're too cold, they bask in the sun until their temperature rises. Does that remind you of any other animals that need sun to stay warm? Maybe snakes or lizards? Some species of butterfly, like the monarch butterfly, live for a few months, but most, they just live for 1 or 2 weeks. During their short lives, butterflies mate. When the female butterfly lays eggs, the life cycle starts all over again. There's the dog chasing after a butterfly. Did you know that butterflies are in danger? Pesticides cause them harm, and there are fewer wildlife areas for them to visit. Soon, many species of butterfly may become extinct. You can help, though, by planting flowers in your garden in a sunny, sheltered spot. Then, wait for butterflies to appear. A butterfly's life cycle has 4 different stages. These are egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. During its life, the butterfly transforms completely. This amazing process is called metamorphosis. That's a mouthful, hey? Metamorphosis. So there's the life cycle. There are the kids. I think at the end here. Oh yes, I like this page too, because it has all the butterflies at the back. Alrighty, so that was the book, The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. Now I'm going to challenge you and see if maybe you can go outside and find some signs of butterflies. Can you find maybe a chrysalis that has formed? Can you see any adult butterflies? Now I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the eggs, but you can try. So that's your challenge. Go outside, see if you can find any part of the butterfly life cycle. Eggs, caterpillars, a chrysalis if you're lucky, or an adult butterfly. Alrighty, see you guys later.